Hi Strike customers, we're here with the Microsoft Surface Pro 9. We're doing a power road test here to ensure that Strike's power, which is, as we know, world-class enterprise grade, can give the device enough power. Now we're using our Boost Power PD charger, which is capable of 45 watts of power, which we already know is going to be more than enough. But just to show you, we're going to do a power road test now. At the moment, I'll just pull this up. We can see that it's a 11:44 a.m. there, and we are on 31% charge. What we're doing here is we've got turn-by-turn navigation going. We've got A2DP audio streaming going to the car stereo. Wi-Fi is turned on. Screen brightness is at 100% and not being adaptive. And we're going to run this in the background, the turn-by-turn navigation. And at the same time, just to put it under even more load, we've got a full screen HD video. So we're going to get started now. We'll just double check those percentages before we go. Yes, it's 11:45 a.m. and it is 32%. We'll come back in about 5 or so minutes and see where we got to. Okay customers, we've just arrived back and just going to show you where we've landed. Okay, we're now at 11:50 a.m. I'm just going to bring up this the appropriate menu, won't be a moment. And so 11:50 a.m. and we're at 37%, so again, another great performance. You can buy with confidence, as you have been for over 20 years, from Strike in regards to the world's best enterprise grade power. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is available right now. This is in a uni cradle, however we have device specific cradles as well. Thank you.